Looking to add space without sacrificing square footage? This food manufacturing facility in Fredericksburg, Pennsylvania did just that, partnering with Tri-State Surplus Company and Mike Grady to install a custom implant office on a structural steel mezzanine. The elevated structure added 550 square feet of usable space, including 2 private offices and a conference room, all without taking up room on the production floor. 4 built-in windows offer a clear view of operations below, keeping leadership connected to the action. An IBC-compliant stair system provides primary access and is powder-coated in white for a clean, professional look. For added safety, a bright yellow cage ladder serves as a secondary exit, meeting code requirements and offering peace of mind. With this install, the customer gained valuable office space, improved workflow, and maximized efficiency, all with minimal disruption to daily operations. That's the power of modular construction, built the panel-built way. Ready to elevate your facility? Contact us today to get started.